Y hoy es un desafío diferente. ¿Por qué es diferente? Mira los materiales que traje. Madera, fosforitos y papelito. El primero que corta esta tanza es el ganador. ¿Están listos? Hoy es un desafío diferente y te lo dije. Are you ready?
I'm ready, but before we start, I think we should tell people not to do this at home. And kids,
Yes,
if you're
yes,
watching,
yes.
this isn't safe. So for sure, if mommy and daddy don't say that this is okay to do with you, don't ever do it. You could really hurt yourself, or you could really hurt other people.
Es verdad. Perfecto. Bueno,
Okay.
vamos. Are you
Okay,
ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's do it.
We begin.
You know what? I think I'm gonna win because I'm from Argentina and I made a lot of barbecue.
My wife can't go on a vacation without two
Yes.
bathrooms. So
Yes.
good luck.
Mi estrategia es esta. Mira esto, Pará. Mira mi estrategia. ¿Por qué esto no está funcionando?
You're hilarious, you know?
Okay, Mike, I think you're not gonna win and it's gonna be disappointing for you.
Okay, whatever you say.
Mine is working.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, mine is super working. Oh, it's coming. Mine is coming. Me voy a hacer mientras que espero que crezca un poco el fuego. It's happening. Sorry.
You're cheating.
And while I wait, this is over.
Oh, I
because
see.
I'm
Now
gonna
you're
win.
using your marshmallow also to break the wire. Oh, this is...
Cha-cha!
Okay, give me some water to put this out. And you ate a marshmallow too to rub it in?
I'm Argentinian.
What does that mean? No, no, no.
Lot
no,
of
no.
camping, lot of, charcoal, barbecue.
Being good at making asado is a different thing.
Mucho
I'm
asado.
Canadian, you know? Oh, man.
Mucho asado. ¿Sabes cuántos asados te faltan para ganarme a mí?
This, pork, two more.